Here is the application, and you may log in via email and password, or just click on the sign up and you can enter your first name and sign up for an account. There is also a nice error card. Okay, let's log in. Okay, I just log into my account and now I can see the agents. This one is positive psychology, and Emma is for exercise planning. Sophia is for relationship building, and John is for empathy, resilience. You can also search for a specific agent. Let's say it's a John. Chat with them. Let's see the John's profile. After searching for John, you can click on the card and you can see the agent's profile. Name, managing emotions, coping with stress, and developing emotional resilience. Its rating, category, emotional well-being, 10,000 conversations. And here you can see conversation starts. Skills, agency skills, empathy, resilience, emotional regulation, self-awareness. Let's start with conversation starts. For example, okay, let's start with this. Okay, new chat created. Now we can chat with John. What activities or habits most helpful for relieving stress after a long day? And there is an answer from John. Good question. Here's some effective activities and habits to relieve stress, like deep breathing, physical exercise, reading or listening to music, journaling, taking warm baths. We can rate. Just click on the 3 vertical dots and there is a tab to rate. Let's put 5. And here is the 5. You can just dismiss this. Your grade will be saved automatically. We can also change the title. You click on the menu, you can see the recent chats. The first one is the recently we chatted with John. Click on emotional and you can see our chat. On long, press the title and you can see that there is edit and delete. You can delete the chat or you can edit. Let's edit the title. On click edit is generated from the conversation content. Effective stress habits, daily relaxation tips. Let's choose daily relaxation tips. You can see chat title update successful. It's renamed to daily relaxation tips. So we can delete the chat. Long press and click on delete. And now our chat was deleted. Top rated agents. For example, in the first is Sophia Green. And the second is Emma Smith. 12K conversations and rating 3.9. Category social well-being. Let's start a new chat with Emma Smith. New chat created. How can I improve my physical well-being? And there is comprehensive answer. Improving your physical well-being is a fantastic goal. Here are some key tips. Exercise regularly. Balance and diet. Stay hydrated. Sleep well. Manage stress. Routine health checks. Delete the chat. Let's delete the chat. And now chat was deleted. Let's back. The most important part, we can send feedback to improve the application. Click on the profile. From profile, 3 vertical dots, and there is a feedback button. Click on the feedback, you can see the email. Just click on a copy and email, copy it on a clipboard. Open the email. Let's paste the email and subject feedback as I want. Cheers. Now we can send our feedback. You can see the feedback was sent.